Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to learn some ifs. So some if formula with multiple criteria. So um, um, I think in my previous class we have already learned how we can use the sum if, but in this particular class you will understand how we can create a formula by using the multiple criteria. So for example, here I have the list of data. Okay, you have a month, there's a column for the month, and also there is a column for the list of expenses, the type of expenses. Okay, and here you may come across that you would wanted to figure it out how many times a particular expenses has repeated in the month of Jan, and what would be the total of that particular item that has repeated multiple times. Okay, so now let's straightly go into applying this formula. In for example, now um, here I have a month and the item. um, I'm trying to identify what would be the total amount that is spent in the month of Jan that is pertains to electric expenses. Okay, so this is the requirement. So what is the total amount is the question. So without waiting further, let's directly dive into the formula. Sum if. So usually when you use for the single criteria, you use the sum if, and then this is the multiple criteria that you wanted to trying to understand, then you have to go into the sum if. That is the s, you need to add the s for the multiple criteria. So here I just given a condition sum if, and then what I'm trying to see, I'm trying to find out the total value. Okay, you select the total value, then comma, then what is my first criteria, the condition is the month. Okay, simple, just simply select the month and then comma, then oh, you have selected this condition as the total month in this column, then this is refers to the month which you have, and then again the second criteria is the select the total type of expenses, again comma, ensure you make sure you keep giving the commas in every argument, and then my final requirement is electric. So this is how the formula would work. The moment you're done with this is simply go ahead and enter. 920 is the answer. Let's do a quick check. What I'm trying to see, what I'm trying to identify, trying to find out the month. In the month of January, how many times I had spent electric expenses? 2 times. And what is the value? So the answer should be 920. Yes, that's what the answer we got it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this learning of Sumif formula with the multiple criteria. Thank you so much.